Hello and welcome back to my channel. And as you know from the previous video, I was in Ikea looking at all of the great offers. They had a 60% sale. They also was doing a 50% off all of the food, especially when you use your family ticket, and that still runs up until the end of August. And I just want to show you my haul because I didn't actually show you what I got. So first of all, I got one of these microwave covers. I did have one and it's split, so I got another one, and they are £1, so that's good enough, and great for those spillages and prevents all the mess in your microwave, so highly recommend. I got these scissors, and I'm sure that these £1.50, you get a large and a medium, so we've got these as well, and they're just handy to have. For £1.50, you get these clips that are good for bags, food bags. There's 6 in there. 4 are black and 2 are this kind of gold colour. So I also got this lovely washing up brush, and I love it because it's got this lovely chrome handle, and it's got a space that you can use to hook this on as well. And I think that these, you can, if you buy the heads, then you can just reattach them onto this. So I like that. It's got the wooden effect on there as well. So spray bottles are going at Ikea for £1. I bought 2 of those. Now the spray bottles I think are a very good idea, especially if you get some fabric conditioner and you mix it in with a bit of water, and this is just great for spraying on throws, spraying on curtains, spraying on pillows, and yeah, it just refreshes everything. It's a bit like making your own Febreze actually. So and you can even use it for ironing, so that's a tip there, and that's why I use my spray bottles. And also I got this lovely sparkling pear juice. This is a 750ml. I really like the pear. They do a different I don't know if it's a black currant or grape, I'm not sure. They do a purple one, but I really love this one. It's very refreshing for the summer. And to complement that, I also got this corkscrew because you never know when you're going to need it, and I never have one available, so this is going to be great for opening up the bottles. So yeah, so I got one of those. I did have 2 different types, and I got this one. I find this one a lot easier. And also I got these tiny little plates, and what I like about them is they're not saucers. They're just the size of a saucer, but they're literally just little side plates, and these are just going to be great for biscuits. And I love these. They're in these lovely pastel kind of shabby chicy cottagey colours. There's one that's in a yellow, and there's one that's in a lovely pink colour. So they're not saucers, but they are the size of saucers, but they are actually little tiny side plates, perfect size. So I was looking for this, and I was finally found them in Ikea. So I got this lovely basket, and it's not a wicker basket, it looks like a seagrass basket, but yes, these are £12, and what I didn't know is that inside you get a little one as well, so you get 2 in there. So, and it's just, this is going to just be handy for keeping little things in. I just like that, it will look nice anywhere. So yeah, I'm very happy with that buy as well. And then again I got this lovely little basket, and I just think it is beautiful, and this is only £3, and with a plant in it I think it's going to look really, really nice. And these are handmade from bamboo. They're plant pots, and they're definitely craftsmanship, and they're nice and woven, all natural. They're about 9 centimeters. There are different sizes, you can get large, not sure how much the large ones are. And then I did decide to get this plant as well. I thought that looked they're fake, but I thought it looked real, and then if you put it in this pot, it just looks really, really nice. Just the pot makes the difference. So, and then from Ikea I got this other lovely woven basket, really, really nice. It's a plant pot. This was £4, and I love it because it's the darker tone, and I think this is going to go great actually in my bathroom. If you haven't seen that video of my bathroom update, please check that out. I did have a plant which was on top of a really high shelf, and it was an ivy plant that was hanging down, and it was just in its normal black pot, and I mean, I'm going to put it in this. And this one is great for indoor plants, just giving them a little mist down with some water. And yeah, so I'm really happy with that. And these are half price now. So I think they're 12, gone down to £6. And so this is my house plant at the moment, and I think this is just going to be great to just water that down, because I need something to just mist it down and not overwhelm the plant. So yeah, I got this. Okay, next up from Ikea, I got this lovely fake tree plant, or whatever you want to call it, very minimalistic, no flowers on it. And I thought this would look great outside the front door. And if you haven't checked out my videos, I did do a video about front door appeal, curb appeal, and I did it all up, but I never added a plant pot just in the outside my front door, like in the corner, and I really did want a plant pot there, but I didn't find the right one. So I went to Ikea, and I love this one. I love the shape of it. I'm going to show you the plant pot that it's going to go in, and I love the colour. So this is it. It's a lovely, I don't know what you call it actually. It's not an olive colour, but it's kind of got green tones to it and beigey tones. It comes with a little tray, and obviously you'll put that in there, and then we'll put this inside. And yeah, I think it looks really, really nice. Going to zoom out a little bit so we can see. But yeah, I think that's going to look nice. Just going to go in the corner. It's very small. It's not going to get in the way. And it's just going to be there. And it doesn't matter whether it rains. And none of this is going to rust or rot. And this is plastic, so it's fake. So it's going to be all year round. So very happy with that. Lovely little mix. They're jelly candy that you can get from Ikea. I really like these. The taste is lovely. If you haven't tried them, I recommend them. They are absolutely they have such a lovely taste to them. And if you're worried, anyone who's vegetarian or can't have gelatin, these are actually gelatin free, and you get 450 grams in one bag. So as well from Ikea, I love these. These are the oat biscuits, and they're lovely and they're buttery, and they just go great with a coffee or a cup of tea. Like I said, I've got those little saucers there for the biscuits, so this is going to come in handy. So I got those, and they're in like a 600g pack. And as well from Ikea, I love these ginger thins, and I think you also get these biscuits from Tiger, and I really like them. So I got the 600g pack as well from there, and these are just going to last. And yeah, so I've got 2 of those. And in this large box here, my final purchase of the day was this lovely shoe rack. And if you didn't see it, then check my video of what's new in IKEA this summer, because you will see that in the video. And I'm also going to do a video of this. I'm going to do a box opening on this. I'm going to be doing it up with you, and I've also got a new video coming out about I'm going to be doing my hallway. This is going to be going in the hallway, so it's all going to be in videos to come, so look out for that. So that is everything that I got from IKEA. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you enjoyed the video before this, which was what's new in IKEA this summer 2025. And yes, I hope I gave you some inspiration, because I did record a lot of the new items that are in. So I hope to see you all again in another video.